So we just got to our Airbnb. Now come here, Mad. I'm gonna show you something real quick. We just loaded in the garage, and there's a snake in the garage. No! Gross. Just trying to go on a nice little ride. We got this damn snake in here. I don't like snakes either, so it could be.
It's
probably
gardener snake.
I don't care.
All right, so we made the drive last night, Denver, all the way to Bentonville, Arkansas for the Bentonville Bike Fest. Got lots of riding to do this weekend. Me and Jarrod are actually racing. We're racing the Straight Rhythm. That'll be on Saturday.
Beautiful weather finally. It rained the entire drive.
I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My rattling blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
First skinny of the weekend.
There's a jump up here, kind of fun. No. No, it's Bentonville. Yeah.
We're pedaling up here. We're gonna go down this jump line. It's so cool. You'd be in the middle of the woods, and all of a sudden there's a big old bridge. Jesse's last stand, and my favorite trail name in all of Bentonville, Tatamagooch.
What the heck is that?
It was right over Madison's shoulder. Tatamagooch. Hands down, best trail name. Tatamagooch. We're at the backside of Slaughter Pen. We made it all the way downtown. So we rode all the way through downtown, and all this trail system all the way through here. Now we're at the backside.
And then maybe get some sleep.
Sleep?
Nah, no sleep.
Maybe lemonade
Yeah.
with a little flavor in there. Next to the YT mill, we're going to Danger Days. Now we have a challenge.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I
You sprinted the whole way, but you had to take a little rest. Yep. Made it. You got this, Jarrod. No, he's gonna do it. got it. Ah.
I'm gonna go down. Oh, are you down too?
Love you.
See you guys.
There you go. Have fun. Be careful.
Thank you.
I need shit. Me too. Whoa! Woo!
I always have to do that.
Whoa! Whoa! Woo!
We are out here at Bert Kelly's Holler Blue Trail. We're about to start.
You smell that? You smell that?
I don't know. I think this is gonna be a
It smells
joke.
like Updog.
What does that mean?
Smells like Updog.
Up dog?
Yeah.
I don't know what up dog means. Up dog?
Yeah, it smells like Updog in here.
I'm about to ask him what up dog.
Ask him.
No, it's something probably crazy.
It smells like Updog.
Up dog. Comment below. Let me know what up dog means.
Means
It smells like Updog in here.
Up dog? Like what?
Yeah, it smells like Updog.
you're almost there.
Did I step in poop?
It just reeks of Updog.
Okay, I have no idea.
Have a good ride. Yeah, you'll be fine.
It still smells like Updog.
I don't know what this is.
It reeks of Updog.
Did I get dog poop on my tires?
Just ask somebody. Ask me.
What is up dog?
Nothing, dog.
Not much, dog. What's up with you?
Yeah, I do. I thought it was something bad. I'm like, oh gosh, here we go.
This whole time she's like pedaling up going, I just don't understand. Like, is it perverted? I don't think perverted.
Sup, dog? Whatever. What's up, dog?
Scrone train. Scrone train.
I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. Let's go, baby!
Drop!
Going down.
Drop! Whoa, I rolled that. No. Jarrod, what do you think?
I almost just stepped on it. Alright, just came to a split. We were climbing for a very long time. Came to a split, and we're gonna see. We don't know if we should go right or left. So Maddie and I are gonna do a little rock paper.
We're in the explore.
We're in the jungle.
We're in the explore mode. So we're just going with it.
Yeah.
Dora the Explorer here.
Dora the Explorer, left.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So we're going right?
Yeah, I won.
Whatever that means. Yeah, you did the rules.
We're going right.
We are just out here adventuring on the cross-country trails. It's exciting until I realize my leggies are sore. Yeah. Oh, look at this little hill. Alright, so we started riding at about 10 a.m. straight from the Airbnb. It is now noon. We made the mistake of heading out to ride and not eating, so we're starved. Trail ended directly on the road. Gonna pedal back to the city center. Probably get some Mexican food because that's delicious. And then we'll come back out and ride some bikes. Everything in this town is absolutely gorgeous. Everything's maintained so well. Grass is cut, it tickles my fancy. And then you just come up on cool little spots like this, on the side of the street. So epic. Jarrod and Heather just dropped me, but we're on the little side trail made out of asphalt. If you're going the other way, it's a jump line. But unfortunately, we are pedaling up and not going down. And if I remember correctly, it does drop you back into the dirt trail with the jump line. There's a couple of these throughout the town. Super cool. I'd ride to work every day.
You want to lead or you want me to lead? Come on, are you filming? Get this on camera.
8 o'clock too.
I'll lead. Dang, okay.
What's first?
Beauty leads beauty. I thought you were saying beauty leads the beast.
All right, go. Jump off on the next one.
Jump on, jump off. To be honest, I was riding up to it and I was like, it's kind of like a skinny. I was like, oh no. It's a little exhausting. I won't.
Upon the trail, this is after the ozone.
Alright, so rain just stopped. Heading to go get some food and let the trails dry out a little bit. And then, hopefully on to ride.
Guys, you're clear, baby!
Look at that.
Can't wait.
Made it to Kohler. Pedal up, take some laps. Kohler is a little bit easier of a pedal up. Once you get up there after the first lap, it goes about 3/4 of the way down. But here's the start of the main climb.
All I had was time to the winter, so I spent money and big bikes. I needed to get another big bike, so I built this one up. The new profile, they're badass. Follow you guys.
Nerds.
We're actually heading to the venue because we're racing today. We're racing the straight rhythm. Jarrod brought his BMX bike. I brought my dirt jumper. I think it's going to be better to ride on a dirt jumper. So he's working on getting a different bike to be able to race it. So hopefully that works out. So here we are, rolling into the venue. Wish me luck.
What's up, everybody? We're out here, straight rhythming.
Slick up here.
All right, this is a random start.
Hold up.
Racers ready. Watch the gates.
Go, Jarrod! Go faster! Don't go slow! Go faster!
Yeah, Jarrod.
Here we go with their
Go, Jarrod!
up on the line.
some fast human beings. Whoa, back on.
Let's go, Jarrod! Go!
Guys, for the ladies. Whoever wins this goes 1 and 2. And they're off in that right lane, showing dominance. Give it up for all the ladies competing out here today. Here we go.
Yeah, boys!
Whoa, Tommy lost the pedal. We'll see if he can make it up. Find it. He's going fast and tender.
Woo! Alex.
Hands up, let's see it, yeah!
Holy shit.
Airbnb. Tree fell on it. Trees down. Yeah, it's so hard. You can't see. Trees down everywhere. Trees on Heather's van. I had to run and wake her up and get her out of there before it got too early. Trees on my car.
It might have been like rolling through the parking lot hit. That's crazy.
Oh, that's sad.
I can do that.